Socrates, one of the most influential philosophers in history, is often remembered for his profound ideas and methods. But did you know that he never wrote a single word? That's right. Everything we know about him comes from the writings of his students, particularly Plato. This absence of written works makes Socrates a fascinating figure, as it raises questions about how we interpret his thoughts and teachings. Now, let's talk about his role as a war hero. Socrates fought bravely in several battles during the Peloponnesian War. He was known for his courage and resilience, even saving the life of Alcibiades, a prominent Athenian leader. This aspect of his life often gets overshadowed by his philosophical pursuits, but it shows that he was not just a thinker, he was also a man of action. Speaking of his appearance, Socrates was famously described as unattractive. He had a broad, flat nose, bulging eyes, and a stout figure. Yet, his unconventional looks didn't deter him from engaging with the elite of Athens. In fact, his physicality often became a point of discussion, highlighting how he defied societal norms. One of Socrates' most significant contributions to philosophy is his unique method of questioning, known as the Socratic method. This technique involves asking a series of probing questions to stimulate critical thinking and illuminate ideas. It's a powerful tool that encourages dialogue and self-reflection, and it's still widely used in education today. However, his relentless questioning and challenging of societal norms led to his trial for corrupting the youth of Athens. In 399 BCE, he was accused of impiety and corrupting the minds of young Athenians. The trial was a pivotal moment in his life, showcasing the tension between individual thought and societal expectations. When faced with the death penalty, Socrates accepted his fate with remarkable composure. He believed in the importance of living a virtuous life, even if it meant facing death. His acceptance of execution is a testament to his principles and his unwavering commitment to his beliefs. Socrates met his end by consuming a drink containing poison hemlock. His death was not just a personal tragedy, it became a powerful symbol of the struggle for intellectual freedom. He faced his demise with dignity, famously stating that death might be a blessing, as it could lead to a greater understanding of life. His personal life was not without its challenges, particularly his turbulent marriage to Xanthippe. Historical accounts suggest that she was a strong-willed woman, often described as sharp-tongued. Their relationship was marked by conflict, yet it also highlights the complexities of Socrates as a husband and father. Another intriguing aspect of Socrates is his belief in a divine voice, or daimonion, which he claimed guided him throughout his life. This inner voice would warn him against certain actions, suggesting that he had a unique connection to a higher moral compass. This belief adds a layer of mystique to his character and raises questions about the nature of inspiration and intuition. Finally, Socrates' influence on philosophy is immeasurable. His ideas laid the groundwork for Western thought, shaping the philosophies of countless thinkers who followed him. His emphasis on ethics, virtue, and the examined life continues to resonate today, reminding us of the importance of questioning our beliefs and seeking truth. Socrates may have lived over 2 millennia ago, but his legacy endures, challenging us to think critically and live authentically. His life and teachings remain a beacon for those who dare to question the world around them.